Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be showing you how to pot on these Verbena boninaris, hardy perennial. Really nice plants these. These are really nice because you can have them at the front or the middle of the border and at the back. They're great for any of those places because they're not a thick plant, so it allows you to look through. They've got nice thin stems and they're a hardy perennial, so once you get them, you've got them for several years to come. So these were sown just before Christmas. I've got some nice seedlings there. I'm going to use these slightly larger cells because I want to give them plenty of room to grow. 2, 4, 6. There's 24 there. First of all, I'm just going to be showing you how to fill your trays up. I'm using a mixture of peat-free coca-cola and a peat-based compost because it's what I've got left over. I do use peat-free the rest of the time, but I just found this that I didn't know I've got in the back of the greenhouse when I was looking for some compost. All you need to do with this is just over it like so, in the big bits. I just like to fill it in like so, and then just go over with a couple of fingers just to tap it down a little bit. You don't want it too compacted because you don't want to affect the roots too badly. Then once that's done like so, just over the top again. And that's it. Then what you tend to do is get yourself a pen, hollow the holes out like that. It's as if by magic. There we go. And as if by magic, they're all done. I wish it was that quick in real life, but you get what you choose. All you need to do then is get a pen. I like to get a pen and then just go under and take a chunk out like so. So I've got my little stool here. Then all you need to do is just get your hands, just tease them apart so you don't lose any root, and the holes that you've got in there, firm them in. You're going to lose a few, don't get disheartened. It doesn't matter, how careful you are, a few always get lost in the transplanting stage, the potting on, sorry. If you're going to touch them, use the first leaves, not the first true leaves, the first leaves there. They're the leaves that actually were like inside the seed pod. So just gently, like so. I mean, that has got a really thin root section, but we'll try it. Hopefully it'll take. There you go. That's the right one to take. And that's what you do. So like, as if by magic again. And there we go, as if by magic. Just got another 2 to put in. So I've got the last 2 here. These are a bit scrawny, these last 2 that were left. So hopefully they'll take, and I've got 24 seedlings. And if I've got too many seedlings, I've decided I'm going to go down to my really good neighbours, give them away in the spring when the frost has passed. So yeah, that's putting on my Verbena. What I'm going to do now is give them a watering. Right, people always ask me what I feed them on. I've just had this delivery come today, and this is Miracle Grow All Purpose. I think this was $11 or $12.99 from Amazon. You get 4 packs of this, which is really good value. Normally these are probably £5 or £6 each, so that is really good value. I thought there was only 2 in here, but there's actually 4 in here, which is brilliant. So I'm going to open that up. I'm going to put a tiny bit of feed in, just in here. I'll probably use just half of one of the smallest cups there. Just going to move these across to my heated bench. All I'll do with these now is they are set to 20, and I shall just give them a good watering. This tray's got holes in it, but the tray that it's actually sitting in itself, the larger propagator tray, hasn't got any holes in. So I don't want to overwater it and waterlog them. But yeah, just be gentle with it. Like I said, you'll notice a big difference, but as soon as you start applying a little bit of feed, you're going to respond really, really well to it. And that's about it, folks. So yeah, that's how to sow and grow Verbena boninaris. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And please give me a like. And as always, monkey, say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Thank you very much for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.